Good Monday morning. Vicky's trying to jump the gun again, and she did. But I was ready. Happy belated Father's Day, everyone. Yesterday was Father's Day, and I hope you all got to spend time with your dads and your sons.
What about your daughters?
And your daughters.
Daughter-in-law, son-in-law?
Yes, all of that. We got to spend some time with our daughter yesterday, but our son, I spent some time with him. Actually, we did a video. You guys will see this coming week. Did a video where Ryan and I worked on a project together when we were over in California. But anyway, let's get on to today's thing. Back in February, we posted a video that we had some people come by the shop. This is Greg Warner and his lady Linda McIntyre. They were just driving through from New York, and they came by, and we spent we spent a couple hours with them, I think. Just terrific people. It had so much fun. Just found out a couple weeks ago that Greg passed away. I think he had some health issues from before. I don't know if that's what he passed from, but he will sorely be missed. He was just a terrific guy. He found us through his son because he was on medical retirement, and his son passed our channel on to him, and he picked up a router and really enjoyed making signs. I was contacted shortly after Greg's passing, contacted by his son's father-in-law. Sounds kind of strange, but anyway, asked me to make a sign, a memorial sign for Greg, and I was honored to do it. I'm going to finish it up. I did all the carving off camera, but I'm going to finish it up on camera here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stain the outside edges. I'm going to leave, this is clear pine or select pine. I'm going to leave the letters pine color, but I want to stain the outside a walnut stain. It's something different than I normally do, but I wanted something that was just a little bit different. Now, the reason I made all of these letters outset, if you go back and watch, by the way, it's Coffee and Questions 2718. Go back and watch that video, and Greg actually mentions on there he doesn't like inset letters at all. He only did outset letters. So normally I would have done probably a combination of both, but for a thing for Greg, I wanted to make it all outset letters for him. So I'm hoping I don't make a real mess of this. Oh, you know what? What I want to do though is I do want to take my gloves back off, because I'm gonna put some masking tape over these letters. Now, what I've done is I always get concerned if I'm going to use stain. This is the black primer that I used. I always get concerned that the stain may cause the black to run. But in this particular instance, what I did was I actually coated this with a coat of Krylon Crystal Clear, and then I sanded it back off. So the black is kind of sealed in. So I don't think I'm going to have an issue there. But I do want to make sure that I don't get any of the walnut stain on the letters. I would rather not. So this is just kind of on the outside, just kind of a protection, because I want to do this fairly quickly. So this is going to be, if all goes well, this will be a fairly quick video. Anyway, that should be good enough. Oh, thank you. My wife got me some new gloves. Thank you, dear.
They're not new. I just turned them right side out.
Oh, did you? I guess you did. Yeah, that one's ripped. All right, so let's see if we can make this work. So I've just got, this is dark walnut stain. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush it on there. I think I'm just going to go, I don't know. I'm so not used to this staining thing. Wow, that's really going on heavy, huh? Awkward silence.
Awkward steaming.
Sounds like something's crashing outside.
The wind's blowing like
The
crazy.
wind's blowing crazy. Wow. Something's really crashing up there. We have a new patio right outside the door, by the way. Just had it,
It's almost finished.
it's almost finished, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for. Nice dark walnut color around there. Let's pull the masking tape. I think that's all I need to do. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So it's got a nice dark around the edge and light. Looks like I actually did get some right there on the R, but I think I'll just sand that out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a clear coat over the whole thing. And I'll come back and show you what that looks like. It'll take a few coats. I'll come back and show you what that looks like. So thanks, guys. Again, quick video, but we'll be right back. Well, there it is, you guys. Got it all finished up. Actually, I don't have it completely finished up. I got a couple coats of the Minwax Helmsman spar urethane. I want to put at least one more coat, get the critter going, and put at least one or two more coats. I like a little bit more of a gloss, but this is pretty cool. I like the way it came out with the dark walnut stain on the surface, and I just left the letters. Just left them natural, but they darkened a little bit because I was using the spar urethane, which has kind of an amber color to it. So it almost like I painted them yellow, not quite, but I'm actually really happy with the way this came out. I may do some more like this. So again, thank you to Chuck Somerville. He's the one that actually requested or asked that I would make this, and I was honored. This is actually a surprise gift for Greg's youngest son, Brad, who is Chuck's son-in-law. Anyway, kind of a long story, but Greg, we'll miss you, my friend. And all our condolences, of course, to the whole Warner family and Linda. Just sorry for your loss, guys. Sorry for all of our losses. Anyway, guys, that is it. Wednesday, we've got that project. I think I'm going to be able to put everything together, all the pieces together for that project that Ryan and I kind of worked on together. It was really different. It was had some mistakes that we made on it, and you'll see that right off the bat. Hopefully that'll come up on Wednesday. We should get it all done on Wednesday, and then Friday I've got another actually business sign that I want to start on. So anyway, that is it, guys. Hope you guys have a great week. Again, I hope everybody had a great Father's Day, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.